today's Money Matters, bad credit does not mean your dream of owning a home is unrealistic. With the right guidance, you can own a home within a year. Monique Runke is here with Marquee Capital Solutions to show us exactly how to do that and to let us know it is possible. Monique, thanks for being here.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you came up with a scenario for one of your clients. It was a couple, right?
Correct.
Okay, let's start with them, and why don't you go ahead and explain their situation?
Well, what it was is a couple had called in from a segment they had seen me on here from a few months back, and they had just experienced some financial hardship last year, had a bankruptcy, and were just devastated because they were feeling like they were missing their window of opportunity for home ownership. And basically what the situation was is they had a bankruptcy in December of '08. Okay. Husband made great money, but as a result of the bankruptcy, they had poor credit. They were currently renting, paying almost over $1,400 a month between rent and their utility bills. Oh, wow. And we're really just feeling kind of like they were not going to be getting out of this situation.
This is a situation that I see a lot of people being in right now, between $1,100 and $1,500 a month in expenses, $1,100 a month in rent. So they were not owning.
Correct. Okay. They were not owning.
They did not own a home. Okay. And then bankruptcy in 2008. So what was your goal at that point when you saw their situation?
Well, what I did is a complete financial analysis with them. I looked at their debt, I looked at their income, I looked at their credit, I looked at the bankruptcy history, and basically what we did is we came up with a very stringent plan that was a 12-month target that would basically help them improve their credit scores. Okay, we were going to manage their current debt. We were going to also clear any judgments and collection accounts that they might have. Okay. And the time frame that we had put everything in was within the next 9 to 12 months, we would have their credit back at a level where they could be eligible for government financing and become homeowners again.
So this is possible within the year then?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so did they end up buying a home?
Well, basically, we haven't got there yet, but basically what the plan was is we put a perspective together of them purchasing a home for $185,000.
Which is pretty good, and you can get a home for that price nowadays anyway. Okay.
Absolutely. I mean, median home prices in Fresno County are still below $150,000. So, and based upon that, their portion of the down payment and closing costs were just a little bit over $10,000.
Including the $5,500 and 3%, which is 3%.
A seller can credit up to 6% of the purchase price. In this instance, we just asked for 3%, which is $5,500. And with the strict financial plan that I had these people on, they would have enough savings equating to $10,000 by the 9 to 12 month mark. And so their total monthly payment for the PITI, which is principal, interest, taxes, and insurances, was $1,366 a month.
That was about how much they were paying in rent.
Exactly, just a little bit above, but you factor in the utility bill, etc. So home run, and you know, this is just a scenario, one of many, of course.
And when you say strict guidelines, what do you mean? Give us an example. Does that mean if you're going out to dinner every weekend, you're going to have to cut that out of your plans? Is that
well,
kind of...
you know, it's part of the financial plan, and when I do the analysis, I try and have a clear understanding. What are their lives like? What are important to you? Where do you spend your discretionary income, etc.? I mean, I don't want to put them on a plan that's going to, you know, eliminate life. I mean, we want to, you know, but it's just about really adhering to a plan, and it's like a budget, really.
When should people seek your advice?
Basically, anyone who has poor credit, has any bankruptcy history, maybe they've lost a home to foreclosure or short sale, or maybe they have just too much debt. And so really what's involved with that is you need to make the commitment to improving your credit and your financial picture. That is just the #1 decision right there. You've got to make that personal commitment. And then you need to adhere to a plan that will help you succeed. And this is a plan that I clearly outline in detail for all my clients. And then we make goals. We make goals for savings, for future home ownership, and of course, the ultimate, the retirement plan.
I think everyone wants to go down this path. They just need help doing so. And that's how you come in. Give us your number so people can call you if they want to ask questions or find out more information.
Direct line is 559-433-9447.
All right, and you can also email Monique, and there's that email right there. It's Monique at MarqueeCapitalSolutions.com. There it is right there on your screen, everyone. Take advantage because this is the time and she can help you. Monique, thanks for being here. We appreciate it. We'll see you again soon. All right. Central Valley Today is just getting started. Stick around. We will be right back.